Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm NOMAKHAYA and I love sewing a lot. On my channel, I share home sewing projects as well as DIY clothes that are easy to do. On today's video, we'll be learning how to do a satin midi skirt. Let's get into it. To start off, you will need your measuring tape, your scissor, tailor's chalk, pins if you need them since we're working with satin, as well as a hand towel. So I'll show you how to use it just now. This also helps us to make sure that the satin doesn't move around. Put it in between your satin materials and it'll be easy for you to cut. You can also pin it down like I did. The measurements you will need for this is your waist and your hip measurements only. Start off with putting in your hip measurements across and then mark your measurement. When you are done, you need to make sure that both the sides are equal. So measure that side. Mine was 90 on both sides. And then from your hip measurement, you go up by about 20 centimeters. That will be your waist. You can go on and check if that is your true waist. And then you also do the same on this side. Check if both the measurements are the same, like that. That gave me 70 centimeters. When you are done now, you will start marking in a circular shape, like I'm showing you now on the video. Go around marking your fabric. When you are done, you will then go and connect all the markings that you've been making on your fabric. And then from there, now we're going to the length of your skirt. Mine was 147 centimeters. That is the length of the material. Do the same. Go around and mark all around. When you are done again, connect all the markings that you've been making. And then you will then go and cut out the two lines. And your skirt will look something like this. When you are done cutting, you will then go and sew the open end on the one side, like I am doing now. My paper towel is still inside the skirt. Certain material frays a lot, so I went on and overlocked the side as well as the waist, and then I folded the waist once as well to hem it for that neat look. If you don't have an overlocker, you can also use a zigzag stitch on your sewing machine. Now on the waist, I'm going to put in the elastic. Measure your elastic and hem your skirt to a size that will fit in that elastic in. After that, measure about 3 centimeters. Leave that space open so that you can put in your elastic band. And then you can go around and sew the skirt and then put in the elastic band. When you are done putting on the elastic band, sew it down with your zigzag stitch and then put it back in and then sew close that opening. When you are done now, you're going to go and hem the bottom of your skirt, fold it twice and sew all around. And this is the finished skirt. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Until our next video, thank you for watching. #Let's Sew with K.